Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can join any channel on Discord, whether it is text channel, voice channel, or the text chat of the voice channel. So of course not every channel you can join, some of them might be hidden on the server that you are in, and it all might depend on the role and permissions of that role. Nevertheless, let me show you how you can join any text channel, and it's really simple. All you need to do is click on the text channel. They are usually indicated with this hashtag, and there are some exceptions. For instance, over here, if there are any channels where you can store rules, then you might see this icon over here, or if there are any announcements, then they will have this speaker over here. However, they usually work the same way. If you want to read them, you can simply click on them in order to open them. And if you want to join a voice channel, it is really simple as well. All you need to do is click on the voice channel once, and then you will join it. You can, in addition, additionally click once again on the voice channel in order to open these panels over here. And by doing so, you will see everyone in a bigger screen or in a bigger window. Here you will find everyone that is in the same voice channel as you. And if there is any live stream going on the voice channel, you will also see it over here, as well as activity. And if you want to join the text chat of the voice channel, you can do that by going over here. On the right side of the voice channel, you will find open chat. If you click on it, then you will open this text channel over here on the right side, which belongs to this voice channel. Of course, everyone can see it at any time. However, this one is just hidden, and it is pretty much, it belongs to that voice channel. So if you want to quickly talk about something, write something, send something, then I suppose this is a good place to do so for people who are involved in the voice channel. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.